Alright guys, MJ23 Bama coming to you. This video is going to be about this Bluetooth wireless controller for the radio. Just want to let you guys know it's attached to the Sea-Doo. I've already have it connected through Bluetooth, pretty easy.
The way that she dances, ain't afraid to take.
Turn it down.
Her heart on her sleeve.
Turn it up.
But her crazy.
I can change songs. I can go back. Works pretty good. Let me turn it down again. One of the things I did from PWC brackets, they gave you double-sided tape, so this would just stay on there permanently. What I did, I attached it on with Velcro, double-sided Velcro, so just got to make sure when you take it off, the back doesn't come off with it. I can take this piece in the house so it doesn't get ruined in the weather, because as you can see, the jet ski's just sitting in the backyard right now, and we got a little bit of water right there, I got to get a new cover right here so I can attach the bracket, and then when you're ready to go riding, you take it, put it on there, just wiggle it down, up and down a little bit, and boom, it's back in place. Of course, and that's not going to go anywhere. Just make sure you hold on to the back when you're taking it off. That's all I would highly recommend. But other than that, that's gonna be my solution for when I'm riding. I'm trying to make this part last a little bit longer, because I'm figuring if I leave it out here in the elements, what's gonna happen is it's gonna moisture's gonna get in, and it's an electronic part. Even though I have dielectric grease in there, it will get damaged over time. This is the Northeast, so we're figuring, you know, snow and everything else. So I don't want to permanently leave it out here. Let's turn it up again. Did I disconnect it? I must have disconnected it. But that's it. That's how it works. The speaker works good too, though.